So for those of you that have a Lippert frame and window in your door on your camper, you may have noticed that this little sticker down here says Thin Shade Ready. And I went ahead and picked up one of these little shades that you could put in the door. After going camping a couple times, we quickly realized we wanted not only the privacy, to be able to take that shade down and get rid of that evening sun if it's shining in the camper real bad at night. So I went ahead and picked up one of these thin shades, and we'll get this out of the box. Now my understanding is this is supposed to be a pretty easy install. Essentially all you're gonna have is the shade and a set of instructions in the box. Now after thumbing through the instructions, there's essentially two different installs that this is gonna work on. My frame here is not the screw-in frame. It's basically just gonna snap right in place, which should be pretty easy. For some of you though, you may have the screw-in frame where you have to take this inside frame off to be able to install the shade. So just look through the instructions and see which option you've got to go with. Let me go ahead and get the rubber band off of this. Now all we're gonna have to do on this frame is slide these little tabs over on the top and the bottom. So let's go see if we get the shade in here now. So essentially you're gonna have this top and bottom piece along with this little lever right here, and that's gonna be in between the two pieces. And we're gonna go ahead and insert this at a 45-degree angle into the window. So I'll go ahead and get this one down here in the bottom first. I'll see if I can get it locked in place. And then we'll go ahead and bring this one up here at the top, get it locked in as well. And that is all there is to that shade. Once you get these tabs locked in, top and bottom, the shade will now rest up at the top if you want the window open, or if you're looking for that privacy, you can go ahead and slide that down, and that's going to drastically reduce the heat that comes into the camper as well from this window. Pretty easy install, like I mentioned. Looking forward to putting this thing into use on our next camping trip.